Hi, we have a number of different products. We're not just bespoke conveyor manufacturers. We have supply of conveyor rollers and a large supply of conveyor belting. All different makes and models. There's some thinner stuff, some very chunky gear, fit for every purpose. So get in touch with the team and they will, I'm sure, help you out. Call me directly and we can go through your plant maintenance schedules, that kind of thing. We also have a price list of all our conveyor belt that we can send out to you, and we offer it in a couple of different ways. We can offer you a pre-spliced belt, so it comes already spliced open and you can either chemically bond it, we can supply you all the cleaners and glues as well, or you can have it clipped to a certain length. You come out, you just put a pin in, or various other clip-in applications. You can have just an open piece of belt, do with it what you will, or you can have it vulcanized endless. And if none of those suit you, we could have our team come out and fit it for you. All maintenance, all types of conveyors we look after, screeners, anything that you can think of, not just building new plant, maintaining your gear as well, and empowering you to look after it yourselves. So we do training, all the products, all the conveyor belt, everything to back up that training. So if you want to get in touch with us, give the Conveyor Shop a Google and hopefully we rank and you'll be able to send us an email or pick up the phone and have a chat with our sales team. Cheers.